What are you coming up to me?
Why are you coming up to me?
Why are you coming up to me asking me what am I doing? Do you know what I'm doing? I'm trying to use the photosensitive light systems.
Don't do it.
Listen, don't tell me don't. I'll do it to whatever I want to.
Okay.
Who are you?
I'm a police officer.
Are you? No, you're not a police officer. Up. You're just a member of the public.
Come on, come round to...
You're just a member of the public.
Come round to the station.
You're a member of the public. Prove to me you're a police officer. Prove it. You look like Wayne Cousins standing there like that. You're in plainclothes uniform, so what do you expect me to say to you? Wayne?
Alina,
Wayne?
can you get me someone in uniform, please?
Wayne?
Alina, you
Wayne.
get me a police officer?
Wayne, what do you expect me to say?
Okay.
What do you expect me to say to you, Wayne?
Just wait there.
No, I'm not going to wait here. Get lost. Don't tell me what to do. What do you mean, where am I going? Going where I want to go.
Where are you going?
I'm going where I want to go. Don't listen. Don't touch me. Do not touch me. Listen. Do not touch me.
Wait here.
No.
Wait.
No. Prove that you're a police officer. Don't touch me. I'm standing in the.
Don't push me.
I'll push you. You're a member of the public.
Here's the first major red flag. Under stop and search rules, officers are required to state their name, badge number, station, and the legal power they're using. None of that happens here. Instead, it looks like a random individual physically manhandling someone in public. When officers fail to identify themselves, people can be intimidated into complying even when the law isn't on the officer's side. That's exactly why knowing your rights matters. If Yardley hadn't remained aware and composed in this moment, the outcome could have been far worse. Education isn't optional. It's protection. Watch closely. The officer refuses to identify himself.
No, you're not.
Look at that.
Don't start with me.
Okay.
Don't touch me. Ah.
Mate.
Don't call me mate either. Don't call me mate.
Calm down.
You calm down. Get out of my...
And go straight to physical force. That's not procedure under police and criminal evidence rules, specifically Code G. Anyone detained or arrested must be told immediately why it's happening. Yardley never is. Every shove and every push without lawful justification isn't just bad policing. Legally, it constitutes assault. This is the exact moment where accountability should kick in. Instead, procedure is completely ignored. 3. Only after force is used does the word detained finally appear. Yardley responds by asking the right questions.
Get out of my way. Listen, you come here. This guy's assaulting me. He is assaulting me.
What's going on?
What do you mean you saw him push him? There's cameras up there and I'm making sure I'm getting the camera. He hasn't identified himself. He's a member of the public.
Yes, he's holding his head.
I don't care. He hasn't said who he is. Let go of me. Let's go. Of course he does.
Recording the
Of course I am. I'm in a public place. Listen, let go of me.
Will you stop
let go of me. If you touch me as well, who are you?
Okay.
Identify yourself.
I am police officer Paul Veazey, Sergeant Veazey, based at this police station.
So why didn't you identify yourself when I told you to?
Because I asked you what you were doing.
I don't care. You're a member of the public. Until you identify yourself, you're a member of the public. Is he not a member of the public until he identifies himself?
No.
Of course he is. And then he's trying to tell me...
Listen to what he's saying, because he's detained you at the minute.
Can you take your bag off, please?
No. No.
Okay, I will take your bag off.
Stop. If he touches me, you know this is lawful.
No, because you're detained for a search.
Under what section? Under what section?
Calm down.
Under what
Stop
section?
grabbing me.
Under what section? Why are you detaining me for a search first? Under what section? Under what section?
Will you stop grabbing
Under
me?
what section?
Calm down.
Under what section is he stopping me and detaining me? You can do whatever you want to do, but under what section?
Okay.
Until he tells...
I'm not the one that's detained you,
tell him. Ask him. Ask him what section.
Right, take your hand out.
No, ask him what section.
Section 43.
Which power? Which section of law? Officers are required to be clear and consistent when invoking authority. They cite Section 43, a counterterrorism power designed for serious and credible threats. Filming outside a police station does not meet that threshold. Using it here doesn't look like lawful enforcement. It looks like a post hoc excuse to justify an unlawful detention. 4. Listen to the backwards logic. They search first, then scramble to explain afterward. If Section 43 truly applied, the law requires them to clearly state it, explain the grounds, and link it directly to terrorism. Filming isn't...
terrorism.
Because you are recording police officers' number plates.
Which I can't... No.
Through a gate.
That doesn't... no, listen.
You tell me what you're doing.
Right, he's overstepping his boundaries right now, and he's assaulting me, constantly assaulting
Right,
me.
he's told you to section now.
Alright then, okay, alright then, I'll relax, alright then. Wait.
Take your bag off then.
Just wait.
You're saying you relax, take your bag off.
Alright, listen,
Relax.
I've got a camera in my hand.
I can
I'm
see
trying
that.
to
We've
do
got cameras on us.
too many things at once.
Let me hold the camera for you.
Okay.
I'll put the camera here, so it's recording.
Keep it tab, please, for one mail search, those sides.
Okay, search me. Unlawfully.
Do you have anything on you that you shouldn't do?
Yeah, you.
What are you doing?
You know something? You know something? He's unlawfully searching me and detaining me, right? For no reason whatsoever, because I wouldn't listen to him. Your ego is this big, and I'm going to make sure it's that big. I've done nothing wrong.
Okay, I believe my colleague has probably explained to you already.
No, he hasn't. No, he hasn't. What's the grounds for the search? Ask him. And I can. But I can.
You can film what you
Well
like.
then,
Why are you filming inside
if I can
the
film what I
station?
like, which is just what
Why-
you've just
why are you
said,
filming inside the
because
station?
I can lawfully, I'm not doing anything wrong, illegal, nothing.
No one told you you're doing it.
Yes, you have. You said you're detaining me under section 43. You're suspecting me of being a terrorist. You're a nutter. That's what you are. No, you can't. No.
Terrorism. A license plate isn't terrorism. And when officers are in plain clothes, the rule is simple. Identification comes before physical contact. Anything less is a breach of trust and a breach of procedure. 5. Now the photography guidance comes into play. The very document every police force has access to, yet so often ignores. Yardley literally pulls it from his bag and shows it to them. The guidance is clear and unambiguous. No interpretation needed.
You got anything on you with your details?
You think I'm going to tell you anything? You're unlawfully searching me. You've put your hands on me. You're touching me. You're making me feel, or put it in my back pocket where you found it. It was where you found it. What is your attitude? Why are you stopping me from doing a lawful activity? I can film the police
Because
station.
it's very,
Have
very
you seen the memo? Have you seen the memo? That I should not be stopped filming police, right? This is from the National Police Chief Commissioners. Have you seen that memo? I've got it in my bag. There it is. Yeah, let me show you.
Instead of acknowledging it, they double down. Once officers continue detaining someone after being shown clear legal guidance, they're no longer enforcing the law. They're trying to save face. And that's where credibility collapses. 6. Here's the key point. Suspicion isn't a magic word. The law requires reasonable suspicion tied to a specific offense. An open gate isn't a secret. Anything visible from a public place can be lawfully photographed. That principle is so well established it's taught during police training. If the
Terrorism Act, blah blah blah. Members of the public and the media do not need a permit to film or
Why else do you have a
photograph
permit?
in public places, and police have no power to stop them filming or photographing, whatever, incidents or police personnel. That's what I'm doing.
Okay.
I'm filming police personnel, yeah, and an incident because they were bringing somebody into custody.
I've asked you why.
I don't need to tell you.
Okay.
I don't need to tell you.
But that's going to raise
I
my
don't
suspicion.
need to tell you anything, right?
You going to give anyone your details?
I don't need that to do that either.
No, I'm asking.
Well, the answer to you is thank you. You unlawfully touched me, right? And I'm going to make sure. What's your number? All of your numbers.
Sergeant
Can you also
Beasley.
give us your details?
No, go on. What's your?
Sergeant Beasley.
I'm going to film you. Go on.
636 AW.
Where are you based at?
Here.
3816.
Go on. Where are you based?
Hammersmith Station.
I want to stop search now.
You're doing the stop search.
What's your number?
What's your name?
I can't see your number.
What's your name?
I cannot see your number.
There you go.
I can't see it. You don't know if I've got a disability. Please tell me your number.
You're filming it.
Please tell me your number.
1637.
Thank
What's your
you.
name?
3461 PC Gully.
Okay, I want to stop search. I want a CAD for this.
There's one for
Yeah.
That's all.
You're a nutter. You can't just come and do stuff like that.
Mate, you're recording
No, don't
in
call
a
me
police
mate
station,
either.
right
Not
in
your
the
mate.
front Gate.
I can be here.
You can be here.
Well
but that
then.
doesn't make it not suspicious,
I
does
don't
it?
care if it's suspicious. I can be here. I'm doing something legal.
Human eye can see it, the camera lens can record it. Anything else is an attempt to stretch the law beyond its limits. 7. This is where Yardley flips the script. If officers refuse to identify themselves, the question becomes why. Is it misconduct, internal investigations, or the kind of behavior we've seen exposed in past scandals? When police demand transparency from the public but refuse to provide it themselves,
Twist up my arm. Ah! Look!
Sir, you're
Look
being
how
a
you've
bit-
twisted my arm. Did you see you twisted my arm? It hurts. You guys, right, should have said to him that I'm not doing anything wrong, no matter what. And he didn't tell me why he was detaining me. Yeah, you didn't. You just come along and just jumped on. Oh, he told you. He didn't tell me anything.
Yes,
Section
he did
43 of the Terrorism Act. Under what reason? What?
He
So that means
actually-
you can just go around, stop people on the street, and tell them
See,
Section
that's the thing.
43.
Can I tell you something?
Go on then.
If every time I try to talk, you talk over
Go on,
me,
tell me
that's
then.
not
Just
how
tell me. Tell me
conversation-
then. Go on,
As I said,
tell
you're
me.
talking over me again.
Well, tell me.
That's not how conversation works.
Tell me then.
Okay? So if you want, you can listen to what I have
I am
to
going to
say,
listen.
and
So
then
just tell me.
reply
You don't
back.
need to go into all
You
that.
keep talking over me.
I'm talking. So tell me.
So as I said, I arrived here. My colleague explained again to you his grounds, okay? And he asked me to assist with the search, which is why I did.
Was I doing anything
Suspicious
wrong?
behaviour is not the same as illegal. That's
Was I
all
doing
we're
anything
telling
wrong?
you you're doing.
What,
You're not doing
how
anything
suspicious
illegal.
was I? By doing what?
By looking through and filming into a police yard.
Into an open gate that's not blocked off. Yeah. I'm not past the gate. I'm within my rights to be here.
We've been through
There's
this a
no
lot of
suspicion
times.
going on. You just tried to be a bully.
Incredibly
You tried to make
suspicious of you, mate.
escalate
I'd
it,
love to
and
know
you
what
have
you're doing
and you
here.
have escalated. Do you know what I'm
Love to
doing
know
here? I
your
told you
details.
already.
Yeah.
I'm pointing the camera, and the light sensors and the photons are catching anything that the eye can see. That's what I'm doing here, legally. It's like jokers.
Do you live nearby?
You're a joker.
Do you live in Hammersmith?
You are a joker. And the last thing, the reason why I didn't say anything to you, I'll explain this. You're in plain clothes. You could be anybody.
Yeah.
Right. And because you could be anybody, I don't need to tell you anything. Now, you didn't identify yourself, right? And because you didn't identify yourself and you touched me, you assaulted me, right? In the very beginning. Before you detained me, you assaulted me because I said to you, who are you? And you refused to tell me. Now, if that's not being a corrupt police officer, I don't know what is. Because if I ask you who you are, you should have told me. Not try to get me on something which you feel is suspicious. I think you not identifying yourself is very suspicious. What have you got to hide? Huh? What have you got to hide?
It's not a conversation.
What
that's gonna
have you
go
got to
anywhere, is it?
hide?
suspicion doesn't disappear. It shifts, and it lands squarely on them. That's accountability turned on its head. And here's the bigger picture. Outside Hammersmith Police Station, Yardley was grabbed, searched, and harassed under laws that didn't apply. Not because he committed an offense, but because he had a camera and stood his ground. A sergeant confused suspicion with proof. The stop collapsed. The law was broken, and the police...
Go somewhere.
with you.
It will go somewhere. Why? Because you're hiding things. What are you hiding?
I'm not hiding
Why
anything,
why did you not identify yourself?
I have
Ask you,
identified
Why
myself
did you not
to
identify? You didn't.
Several
this,
times.
None of them.
if this-
Just, I just want the none.
You refused.
Just-
Okay,
yeah.
yeah, no worries.
What did you say? You
I've identified myself to you several
what?
times.
After detaining me?
Yes.
After detaining
Yes,
me.
after
Okay,
detaining
cool.
me.
I'm glad you said it after.
Thank you.
Because that's illegal. How can you stop somebody and pull them up and yank them up, and then afterwards say that you're detaining them without identifying yourself? What have you got to hide? Tell me. Are you one of those 100 or 1,000 police officers that are being vetted and being seeing if you've done anything wrong in your career? Have you done anything wrong in your career? Have you been misogynistic? Huh? Are you part of any WhatsApp groups? Huh? Are you being investigated by the police like IOPC? Is that why you didn't want to identify yourself? In plain clothes, again I state. Yeah? What does the report say? That if I was a lone person
Can I ask you just,
and
your number?
and you came up to
No,
me,
for
I
happy
should phone
business.
999. That's what I should have been doing, is phoning 999.
You didn't, did you?
Because you assaulted me. Assaulter.
Sir,
That's what you are. You're an assaulter.
Hello. So this one asks for your name. If you're failing to provide, there's no problem at all. Do you wish to provide?
Where's the CAD number on that?
It's here.
And who's the searching officer?
Here. Here.
Who's that?
That's the warrant number.
For him.
Yeah, and that's the name.
What's the name?
BZ.
VZ.
Okay.
Joker. Joker.
Right. There you go. That's your search record.
Joker.
Okay, thank you. Off you go.
No, tell me, undetain me.
You are undetained from your...
Ultimately paid £750 in compensation. But this isn't about one officer or one encounter. It's part of a wider pattern. Officers who don't know the law, or worse, choose to ignore it. The cost isn't just financial. It's public trust, accountability, and confidence in policing itself. That's why you record. That's why you stay firm. And above all, that's why you need to know your rights.